Hi there, students. To put someone through the ringer, to go through the ringer, to have been through the ringer. To put someone through the ringer is to subject them to a really difficult situation, to make them undergo an unpleasant experience, yeah, to make them go through an ordeal, to put someone through the ringer. Okay, the ringer is the mangle. Okay, a mangle. In the old days, you did the washing and it was wet, and then before you hang it out to dry, you have two rollers, one on top of the other, and you have a handle and it squeezes the mangle, or the ringer squeezes the water out of them. Yeah, if you get your hand stuck in that, it will really hurt. Or just a finger, you'll crush it. And that's the idea of the horrible situation. So this is to put somebody through the ringer. This exam should put my students through the ringer. It should make things very difficult for them. We'll discover if they really know what their stuff or not. The lawyer put the witness through the ringer. Yeah, he interrogated him thoroughly. Yeah, and in depth. Very often as well, this to put somebody through the ringer, to interrogate very, very intensely. My mum put me through the ringer about where I'd been last night. Yeah, she asked intensive questions, and it was difficult for me to produce enough lies and excuses. John's really been through the ringer this year. He's lost his job, he's gone through a divorce, and now he's ill as well. Yeah, he's really been through the ringer. Notice this phrase is very often used passively. Okay, so to put someone through the ringer. Notice this, the verb here, to wring, W-R-I-N-G, to squeeze, to wring the water out of something. Although I have seen it spelled just ringer, R-I-N-G-E-R, without the W, but that's a misspelling. Okay, so I hope, so we've really been through the ringer with this COVID epidemic. Well, the people who've suffered from it have really been through the ringer. Yeah, they've been really quite ill. Okay, so through the ringer, through a series of very difficult or unpleasant experiences, these poor refugees have really been through the ringer. Yeah, the administration put me through the ringer in order to get my license. Yeah, it was a very difficult process. Okay, so to put somebody through the ringer, to scrutinize closely what somebody's doing, to interrogate them, or to subject them to some sort of difficult trial or ordeal. They put each of the candidates through the ringer before deciding which one to choose. Okay, so yes, you could even run somebody through the ringer as well. Yeah, you're putting them through the mangle. Okay, let's see, what about formality? As an idiom, put somebody through the ringer, I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. This is something I would use as a spoken phrase. You could use it in an informal writing, semi-formally. Yes, I guess you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but not in a formal writing. This in a formal framework, the tone is wrong. Okay. And then as to the origin, well, I said to wring the water out, to squeeze. And then the wringer is the mangle. So this is like putting your clothes through the mangle, or putting somebody through the mangle. Yeah. The CPE really puts students through the wringer. You really need to know your stuff if you're going to pass. Okay, so has been through the ringer, to put someone through the ringer, has gone through the ringer. All of those are the uses. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Put somebody through the ringer, through the ringer.